Hey everyone, Poverty Princess here with my newest DIY, a very simple, very easy, MUNEE inspired bedside basket table. All you need for this DIY is a brand new pizza pan from Dollar Tree and a basket from Dollar Tree, one of which has these handles attached to it. Mine was painted, but you could see where the opening is. It's one of these baskets, but it has the handle attached on top. You can also use door handles. They're optional. In hindsight, after having seen the problem I had with mine, I would say that it doesn't need it. You only need these two items. So I used Rust-Oleum French Lilac paint to redo my basket. One coat inside, one coat outside. And while that was drying, I did the pizza pan with metallic spray paint. Now, as I said, the door handle is optional. When I tried to E6000 these down, I had both of them on. Because these were from $1 zone, they're not exactly cut evenly. I really couldn't get them to bond securely, and I wound up just using my drill and putting holes in, putting the screws in, which in hindsight, I don't even think it needed the handle, so that's optional. I would say, no, don't even use them. And that is basically pretty much it for the DIY. And this is how it looks when it's all done. It's really cute. As I said, you don't even really need the handle on it. It is pretty sturdy, and you can place a cup of coffee on top of it. And there you go. Very simple, very easy. If you like this video, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It is 1:30 in the morning, so good night all.